Have you ever gone to a supermarket and didn't know what to say in English? Don't worry. In today's lesson, you will learn how to shop at a supermarket using simple English. By the end of this video, you will be able to ask for products, understand prices, and talk to the cashier with confidence. Let's get started. Good morning. What a nice supermarket. Everything looks clean and organized.
Good morning. Welcome to Green Market. If you need any help, just ask me.
I need to buy some food for my family today.
Of course. What are you looking for?
Excuse me, can you help me please? I'm looking for the milk. Where can I find it?
The milk is in aisle number 4. It's next to the cheese section.
Oh, aisle number 4, thank you very much. Now I also need some bread. Excuse me again. Where is the bakery section?
You're welcome. The bakery is straight ahead. Then turn left. You'll see fresh bread on your right.
Straight ahead and then left? Perfect. Thank you. These apples look fresh. How much are they?
The apples are $3 per kilogram.
Only $3 per kilogram? That's a good price. I'll take 1 kilogram. I also need some bananas.
The bananas are just behind you. Have a great shopping experience.
Now I have everything. Let's go to the checkout.
Hello. Did you find everything you needed today?
Hello, yes, I found everything I needed.
Would you like a shopping bag?
Yes, please, I'd like a bag.
Your total is $24.50.
Here is my payment.
Thank you. Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
Have a wonderful day. See you again soon.
Have a wonderful day, goodbye.